In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare for dig and treasure events efficiently. The first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome and search for dig or treasure event schedules for the game you're playing. This is a simple step, but it's very important because these events usually appear on a rotation, and knowing the expected dates helps you plan ahead instead of reacting at the last minute. When you search, look for recent schedule posts, community calendars, or reliable event prediction pages. The goal here is to get a general idea of when the next event is expected so you can save your resources and avoid spending them too early. Once you've checked the schedule, the next thing to do is review guides that explain how many pickaxes or hammers are usually needed to clear the event boards. This part can save you a lot of time and resources. Different boards may require different amounts, depending on the layout, your luck, and whether the event has fixed patterns or some randomness. A good guide will usually give you an estimated range rather than a single exact number, and that's helpful because it lets you prepare realistically. As you read through these guides, pay attention to whether the estimate is for clearing a single board, reaching milestone rewards, or finishing the entire event. That distinction matters a lot when you're deciding how much to save. After that, make sure you collect free event tokens through the daily web links provided during the event period. This is one of the easiest ways to make progress without using extra resources. Many players forget to do this consistently, and those free tokens can add up over several days. When you claim them daily, you give yourself more chances to clear tiles, uncover rewards, or reduce the number of pickaxes or hammers you'll need from other sources. It's a small habit, but it can make a noticeable difference by the end of the event. The key to all of this is preparation. By checking the event schedule first, reviewing token requirement guides second, and then consistently collecting the free daily event links, you put yourself in a much stronger position before the event even gets going. This approach helps you stay organized, avoid wasting resources, and maximize your rewards with less stress. That's the full process, and if you follow it carefully, you'll be much more ready for the next dig or treasure event.